So I'm going to give you my impressions of these STIHL PB11 loppers, 75cm loppers. These retail at around £60 UK. So yeah, I've had these in storage for a couple of years. They look like they've been used for a while, but honestly this is the first year I've used them. So initially I thought they were quite good, they felt quite nice. These rubber grips felt quite nice. Felt like a smooth cutting action. I probably used them for about 4 hours, I'd say. And my impressions has dropped significantly. So yeah, the first thing I noticed was it really does not hold an edge very well at all. The metal is very poor. This edge folds over very quickly. Even on the anvil bit here, that's all rounded over. So it really can't take any sort of hard pruning. And I don't overload these, you know, I never cut more than 1 inch. But when you're doing apple tree pruning, some of the apples can be pretty tough to get through. So yeah, firstly, very poor metal. My next issue, these rubber grips just completely have come loose. You can just pull them off that easily. So yeah, both these rubber grips are just completely loose now and come off, which is absolutely awful. So yeah, that's you can just see by the shaft it's just not very high quality. So would I recommend these? If you're a homeowner and you're not cutting too much and just cutting light stuff, these aren't too bad. For professionals, would I recommend these? Absolutely not. Not at their price point of £60, 50, 60 quid, not worth it in my opinion. These should be around £35, I'd say. So yeah, if you're a professional, spend an extra 20 quid and you get a decent set for £80, which is going to last you years. These things, you're going to need to sharpen them very often. And like I say, grips, they're going to need super gluing back on or something. So yeah, just my quick review of these STIHL PB11s. Not bad. If you're a homeowner, very light cutting. Professionals, stay away. Hope that helps.